From his mess to your triumph, a girl's breakup kit. Hey sis, I know it hurts, like deep in your bones hurts, and I'm not gonna let you wallow in self-pity, okay? This is real talk, tough, straight up, and no sugarcoating. So here we go. First, burn something. Grab a note, a photo, a screenshot of those old messages, anything that's keeping you tied to that jerk. Take it and set it on fire. Yes, on fire. Just don't burn the whole house down for God's sake. If you don't have anything, write down what hurts on a piece of paper and burn it. Let it go already. Second, do something that scares you. Dive into something intense, take a dance class, climb a super high wall, or talk to a cool stranger. But texting your ex at 2 a.m. drunk? That doesn't count as brave. That's an epic mistake, trust me. Pick something that makes your heart race with excitement. That adrenaline rush, it's what's going to pull you out of this. Third, stop trying to make sense of it. You're driving yourself crazy with the why or what if. Guess what? Sometimes there's no answer. And that's okay. You're not a detective, and this isn't a case to solve. Put away the magnifying glass, Nancy Drew. Stop looking for excuses and start leaving that mess behind. Fourth, imagine yourself as the bad girl for a day. Picture yourself as the villain, strong, untouchable, done with everyone's nonsense. Walk like you own the world. Think Regina George, but without ruining lives, okay? It's not about being mean. It's about kicking victimhood to the curb and taking control. Fifth, use time to your advantage. Time doesn't heal anything if you just sit there. It doesn't work magic on its own. It's not your fairy godmother with a wand. It's like that lazy friend you have to drag along. Delete a memory, try a new coffee spot, rearrange your room. Make it help you heal. Sixth, rewrite your story. Forget the sob story you've been replaying in your head. Grab a pen or your phone and write a new script where you're the badass main character. Jot down 3 things you're gonna do this week that make you feel unstoppable. Hit the gym, rock a bold outfit, or tell a flirty stranger they've got great vibes. Then, do them. You're not the girl who got dumped. You're the chick who flipped the script and came out on top. So you're so much more than this mess, sis. Pick one thing from this list and do it today. I'm not asking, I'm telling you, get moving.